How are the properties of water connected to its functions? Water as a solvent. Water is an excellent solvent, meaning it can dissolve many different substances. This property is crucial because it allows cells to carry out essential chemical reactions. In our bloodstream, for example, water dissolves and transports nutrients, oxygen, and waste products. Plants rely on water's solvent properties to dissolve and move minerals from the soil up through their roots and throughout their tissues. Why is water a good solvent? Water is a good solvent because of its polar nature. Each water molecule has a slightly positive charge on its hydrogen atoms and a slightly negative charge on its oxygen atom. This polarity occurs because oxygen atoms attract electrons more strongly than hydrogen atoms, creating an uneven distribution of electrical charge within the molecule. This polar structure allows water to interact with and dissolve many different substances in two key ways. When water encounters ionic compounds like table salt, NaCl, the positive ends of water molecules attract the negative ions, like chloride, while the negative ends attract the positive ions, like sodium. The water molecules effectively surround these ions, pulling them away from each other and into solution. For polar molecules like sugar, water's charged regions can form hydrogen bonds with parts of the molecule that have slight charges. These attractions help break up the bonds between sugar molecules and pull them into solution. Surface tension of water. Water has high surface tension, creating a slight skin on its surface. This characteristic allows small insects like water striders to walk on water and helps plants move water up through their tissues against gravity through capillary action. Surface tension also helps keep cell membranes stable and allows water to form droplets that can easily move through organisms' circulatory systems. Specific heat capacity of water. Water has a high specific heat capacity, which means it can absorb or lose a lot of heat energy while only changing temperature slightly. This makes water excellent at temperature regulation in living things. Our bodies use water to maintain stable internal temperatures. Body temperature regulation. When we exercise and generate heat, the water in our blood absorbs this extra heat while only increasing slightly in temperature. When we sweat, water's high heat of vaporization means each drop of sweat carries away a large amount of heat as it evaporates. Our body's high water content acts as a thermal buffer, resisting rapid temperature changes that could damage cells. Aquatic ecosystems. Large bodies of water warm up and cool down slowly, protecting aquatic life from sudden temperature shifts. Even as air temperatures drop at night, water temperatures remain relatively stable. In winter, as water cools to 4 degrees Celsius, it becomes denser and sinks while ice forms on top. This layering protects aquatic life below from freezing. The warm water at the bottom of lakes and oceans provides stable environments for organisms year-round. Climate moderation. Water vapor in the atmosphere acts as a greenhouse gas, helping maintain Earth's temperature.